So I love a lot of people in my life. I really love my mother, obviously. My mom is the greatest person I know. I love all my family. I love my brother. He's amazing too. I really love our cat I'm living with right now. Her name is Elle. She's amazing. She would always come and just lie on my knees. She's just so sweet. She's amazing. I love my agent, my Joseph. I love him from the bottom of my heart, and I'm really grateful to have such an amazing person in my life. And I love everyone who support me and who is with me when it's hard time for me. I love you all. Thank you.